Now, let's talk about the famous personalities which played a significant role in the French Revolution. The first personality is Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of the Jacobean Party, and his policies led to the reign of terror in France. Ultimately, he was guillotined. Next, Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, the famous emperor of France, who defeated many nations and was finally defeated by other nations in the Battle of Waterloo. Louis XVI. Louis XVI was the emperor of France when the French Revolution took place. He could not play any significant role to suppress the revolution. The people were very unhappy with him because of the debts and other such activities which he had started with, and his queen Mary Antoinette also played a significant role in sparking the French Revolution. Montesquieu. Montesquieu was the famous thinker or a philosopher who wrote The Spirit of Laws, and he believed in the division of power. He said that if one man has all the powers, that is the executive powers, the legislative powers and the judicial powers, then he becomes a dictator. Therefore, the judicial, executive and the legislative powers should be divided amongst different people in order to have a healthy government. Voltaire. Voltaire was again a big philosopher who criticized the Catholic Church as it was full of vices at that time. It wanted the church to reform itself and come out with a kind of governance which was welfare in nature. Rousseau. Rousseau, again a philosopher who wrote the famous Social Contract, and according to the Social Contract, he tried to tell that the people and the ruler, that is the ruled and the ruler, sign a contract with each other by which it is the duty of the ruler to keep his subjects happy. That is, the subjects make a contract with him saying that until and unless you keep us happy and prosperous, you shall be our emperor, you shall be our ruler, but as you fail to do so, you shall no longer remain to be the emperor. So, that was the social contract written by Rousseau. So, now you are familiar with the new terms, concept and the famous personalities of the French Revolution. Let's start with the chapter in the next clipping.